Ooh. And yes, you do need a router plane to make a router plane, right? And like that, we've got a functional router plane. But we want to make this more pretty and have a little more usability to it. So there you have it, router plane. This one is from Rex Krueger, Compass Rose Productions, and the kit comes with everything. It comes with the wood, it comes with the bolt and screw needed to put in the fixtures. It has all of this in the kit, which is kind of cool. It also comes with the 1/4 inch and the 1/2 inch. Oh, okay, whoa, I gotta pop in here for a moment. I was actually editing the video and I was texting Rex. The two of us talk rather regularly. And I told him, yeah, I'm gonna be doing a video on your router plane. I bought it with my own money. He didn't know about that. And he said, oh, okay, I'll tell you what, I've got a discount code for your audience. And I said, what? Because Rex doesn't give discount codes at all. He's giving $3 off on the router plane. You can do WOOD 52 for that, WOOD 52, all uppercase. But if you want a discount on just the blades, that's blades 27. But hurry, the offer is only good for a week and Rex doesn't give discounts, so yeah. And if you do have questions about this build, I have a whole second channel called Wood by Wright How To. On that channel, we actually go into all of the builds and we explain more and we talk through them. And I have before and after shots. So if that's the type of thing you want, think about going over that. I have links to that down in the description below. This channel is just the easy watching for people who want to see someone in the shop making something. So if you have questions though, throw them in the comments. I'd love to read through those. I do answer as many of them as I can get to, and that really means a lot. Anytime you hit comment and like and subscribe and all those things down there, thank you. Helps us get in front of more people, helps the channel grow, helps the algorithm. It does mean a lot. And if you want to go even farther than that, there are a bunch of names over here. Those are all of the fantastic, wonderful, and gorgeous people over on Patreon. Without patrons or members who've clicked that little join button down there, without you guys, we wouldn't be here. So thank you for that. If that's something you like and would like to help us out and get more things like this in the shop, then let me know about that.
So when you put your hand like this, it goes off screen, if that matters.
Yeah, that's fine. So if you'd like that and would like to help and support us, then think about becoming a patron or clicking the like button down below. Thank you. That means more than I can say. I think I'll do it for now. And until next time, have a wonderful day. The hag's tooth router plane is an old plane, but this was very commonly found in military installations because if you know anything about military, you know that they would love to have a plane that could rout their enemies.
I wasn't coming up with anything for this one, so. Glad you got something like that.